The Canon error code 1403 indicates a problem with a printer printhead. This error code is typically caused by the printhead not being seated correctly or being dirty. To fix the error, the first step is to reseat the printer head. This involves switching off the power to the printer, opening the front cover to access the printhead's location, and waiting until the print carriage has moved to the center of the print space before removing the ink cartridges from the printhead. The printhead can then be removed from its location and reinstalled along with the cartridges to see if this resolves the issue. If not, cleaning the printhead may be necessary. To do this, warm some water and remove the printhead from the printer using the aforementioned steps. Carefully clean the printhead with a soft cloth and then use isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining moisture. After cleaning, the printhead can be reinstalled. If neither of these steps solves the problem, it is recommended to contact qualified personnel for assistance.